All right, take two, folks. Get to it. It's cold, it's windy, it's rainy. We are in Houston, Texas. We have a cold front coming in. It might snow Monday, but we're gonna try and catch fish. We got a full weekend planned of just local fishing, whatever really bites. Not really targeting any specific species, just trying to get something to bite, trying to make something happen, trying a couple different things, but keeping everything pretty small just because they're not gonna be real hungry right now. We're gonna try and get something to bite. Stay tuned. We're gonna be fishing a bunch of local areas real close to where I live. So hopefully we get on some fish. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys out there. Peace. Guys, so we're just throwing one of my favorite baits, just a rooster tail on a little Roadrunner jig head. One of my favorite baits is kind of just a catch-all for me, if I'm being completely honest with you. I've caught bass, crappie, bluegill, trout, everything really on it. So it's gonna be a little bit harder to throw in the wind, and on a short rod, but it's kind of just more fun on this little rod. We're also gonna see how long it takes for my hands to go numb. I was out here the other day and it wasn't this cold, and my hands did go numb, and it's much colder today and windier. So we're kind of just up against all the challenges. I can't even freaking get that thing out there. It is very cold, like 35, 37 degrees I think right now. So if we can get anything to bite, that would be kind of shocking to me. But I've seen crazier things, so hopefully we can make it happen. I did bring some gloves, and I might bring them. I might go get them actually, because it is very cold. I am gonna go get some gloves. It is cold. Alright. Probably only be able to wear one, but we're gonna bring the other one too. I need to eventually get that door either like lubed up or something. I don't know. It sounds horrendous. Guys, different spot now. Way too windy there. I just couldn't do anything efficiently, so we're gonna try here. Now it's normally a bait spot for me, but it has produced some fish from time to time, so we're gonna see if we can catch something here. Stay tuned. We're gonna try and catch some fish here, and yeah, let's get some line in the water here. Nice not to be freezing my butt off, to be honest with you. Try and work some more over here. Who knows? I do have to go back to work today. Oh, got one. There's one. Nice. I was just saying I had to go back to work to see what we got. Oh, it's a little bass. You should have seen him. He just jumped right up. See if we can get him to jump again. Oh, come on. Come on up. Come on up. Come on up. There he is. He's not going to break any records, but he's a cold water bass. Pretty little guy. How about that? You can catch him. So there you go, folks. You can catch it in the wintertime. Oh. Excuse me. Pretty sure my reel isn't supposed to be jiggling like that either. That's probably not a good thing. I probably need to tighten something. But it's like a $25 pole, so I'm not gonna break the bank on it, is what I'm saying. Also, I really didn't want to eliminate like species of fish by throwing something a little bit bigger, because the goal is to just catch fish, whatever it is. It's not necessarily to catch a 10-pound bass or something. It's just not going to happen, for one, here, and for two, probably in this weather. So it's not really the goal. The goal is just to try and make something happen. So we'll see. Hopefully this bridge isn't like broken and I'm not supposed to cross it. But it is very slippery. I think a lot of it is not even like good. Very slippery. Ugh. Probably not the best camera angle, I'm aware. Don't tell anybody I was here. See if we can catch something in these weeds. Got one. Got one. Yep. Not a little bass. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. Cold winter bass. He's little, but he counts. There he is, guys. Right about that same size. Just like, just a little cute little dink. But another bass. I mean, you're catching micro bass on a micro rod. So, I mean, in theory, it makes sense. Money cast. Money cast. Come on. Thought that was gonna be the one. Just that one flipped, I was like, yup, I'm eating it. Nothing. Alright, well, we're gonna give this spot a couple more casts and get on out of here. We've spent enough time here. I'll probably come back here before the weekend's over, but it got us the check mark, you know, got the skunk off the board, so it worked. Can't complain about that. All right, last cast here, see if we can pull something up. Right in there. Come on, come on, come on. Eat it, eat it, eat it. Not like anything's gonna eat it. All right, well, we tried. Hook was messed up anyway. There we are. All right, cool. Let's get out of here. We are back. Post lunch, post work a little bit. I gotta go back to work, but I still have a couple more hour, like an hour and a half to fish. So we are just along a busy highway, but there is once again a bridge with some very low water. But I figured we'd fish here first and see if there's anything in here. If there's not, that's fine. But we're trying new stuff. It's a weekend of cold weather, so if they bite anywhere, that's awesome. So stay tuned. We're gonna get on some fish, hopefully here. If not, we'll go somewhere else, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace. All right, well, this could be the end of this spot. All right, well, snap this guy probably right off. There he goes. All right, well, we tried here, didn't work. Lost a good jig head, but all right. That's all it takes for me to leave. We tried though. We will go and I don't know. What do we want to go do? I don't know. We'll go find something to do, somewhere to fish. Stay tuned. We're out of this spot. So I love the idea of throwing small today, just because of how cold it is. It's even colder today than what it has been in the previous, so we're gonna keep everything smaller today than what I normally would. We're gonna throw that same rooster tail we were throwing the other day, but we're also gonna try a different shade. So we're gonna go white with a curly-tailed grub, see if that does anything as well. Actually, we're gonna go with this guy. It's a little swimmy, different shade. I think he might actually do pretty well. So we'll see what that happens. I think that looks pretty good, actually. I like that. All right, so we're gonna go with that today. Hooks kind of got everywhere, didn't they? I love how we abandoned that curly tail grub idea so quickly. All right, so that's done. Throw that back in the bag. Get it in there. Okay, that works for me. Palomar knot, as always, guys. Can't beat the strongest, right? Shout out to the brother. Showed me this knot, and now I don't do anything but this knot. All right. So we're gonna get out there. We got the little pole today. I need to come up with a name for that pole. I don't have a name for that one. I don't have a name for this one either, but I feel like the little one deserves a name. So if you guys have an idea of the name, throw it in the comment section, because I don't get very many comments, so I'm not teaching anyone anything. That's the thing. And people, I think some people think this might be like a like some fishermen teach you stuff. I don't. I'm here for just entertainment. So I guess if I'm not entertaining, I'm probably not gonna do very well at this. But nonetheless, we're rigged up. Leave him in here. Grab. I don't know. Little Nicky. I don't know. Help me out. I'm not good at coming up with names. But let's get on the water. Let's do some fishing. Stay tuned. Peace. Alright, so my hope is that no one calls the cops on me here. There wasn't a sign. There was nothing that said, hey, you can't fish here. So I figured I can fish here. Right? That's the thought. I mean, I figure I deserve it if I'm gonna do all this stuff to get down here. It's a little bit trickier than I anticipated, though. I will say that. All right, that works for me. All right, we'll get set up and get fishing. Can't tell if I got one or not, guys. I think I had some trash. If I'm being completely honest. I'd like to think that I had a fish, but I think it was just trash. It didn't really like fight. So I would go with trash. I don't know, that might, oh, no. Yeah, I'm definitely hitting some kind of like snag there. I don't know what it is. I'll just avoid that area. I don't know, I wanted to come here. I might not stay here very long, but I wanted to try it. Maybe there's something dumb in here. We are actually at my apartment complex, which is connected to a body of water. And usually this spot's taken because it's nice outside and there's always someone fishing this point. But it's really cold here, so no one's fishing it. So we're gonna head out to the point, see if we can get something to bite. We got the bait, so I mean, we got the time. I figured why not try? At least we could do. Try and catch something big. It's really the only goal that we have for the day. Wind has died down a good amount, so it's pretty calm. Yeah, I mean, people catch fish out here, so we'll see if we can get lucky and catch one ourselves. So stay tuned. I'm gonna get these baits out and hopefully we'll get on some fish. All right, peace. Well, we got one, guys. We're hooked up. I'm talking to my brother actually on the phone. He's still on too. I got my headphones in so he can't even hear me. I don't know what this is. Still got my bell on here. That didn't take long. I'm telling you guys, you can catch them when it's cold. It don't matter. They're still out here. People, you just gotta be willing to dress up and get warm. All right, he's getting closer, guys. I'm gonna get my light on. It looks like he's a little catfish or something. Guys, this is a good catfish. He's every bit of, I don't know, maybe a little over 10, 15, 12, 15 pounds. Let's go get this guy. Caught him on the mullet head. Dude, I'm telling you, mullet just gets it done. How about that, folks? Catching kitties at night is what it's all about. Ugh. Joseph, you be proud of this fish. Wham bam, thank you, ma'am. Get a better look at him. And off you go. Turn around. Other way. There you go. All right. We got another one. Literally, I was probably out here, I don't know. Joseph, how long has this been? I've been out here. I think he might have hung up with me. This is a good one though. I mean, it's on Red Raider, so everything feels pretty good. But the fact that it's been literally, I don't know, 3 minutes since my last fish. Where is he? He's gotta be close. Trying to pull him up, but oh, he's right here. What are you? Another catfish? Calm down. Yeah, there's another catfish. So the first one was a blue. This one is a channel cat. All right, so first one was a blue, second one, channel. A good channel though, like you would think a channel would usually be smaller, but this is a good sized channel cat. People would usually be pretty proud of this one. Ugh. Get him up here. Sorry that bell is like Christmas time, I understand. He took full advantage of that, didn't he? Okay, is that all? All right, he's probably good 6-7 pounds, I'd say. Hard to tell, but not gonna weigh him, but pretty channel, especially for this area. Like I said, he's He's good size. I mean, this is ideal eating. Can't really eat the catfish out of here though, but this is fun. Catching fish. I don't have really any complaints. He's pretty lively too. I don't think he'll have much of an issue letting him go. There he goes. Like I said, guys, that was literally maybe 3 minutes from our last fish, so ideal catching fish time. That's pretty good. Let's freaking do it again. Let's cut up some more bait. I'm having fun out here. It's really not that cold, so we're just gonna keep cutting bait and keep catching fish and do it up. What is up, everybody? We are going fishing again. Yesterday we struck out. It got too rainy on me, but the sun is out now. I don't know how high the water is. We're gonna go take a look at the water, see what that looks like, and then hopefully we'll find somewhere to fish. But the sun is out. It is nice, so hopefully we can find a spot to fish. It's about 20 degrees outside in Houston. I'll say it again, I'll run that back. 20 degrees in Houston. So stay tuned. We're gonna see what the spot looks like, and hopefully we'll be fishing soon. Peace. All right, so bad news, guys. There's not really any water in the creek. It's about, I don't know, 20 feet down. Now this segment of the creek doesn't get remarkably deep or anything, but I mean, this is all dried up right here. So just, you know, 10 yards ahead of me is all mud, and then out here looks like it's about, I don't know, it's bank for a long way. So while it's not impossible to fish, it's not ideal. It's probably only a couple, it's probably about a foot deep. You could probably walk across it. Now, does that mean there's not any fish? Probably. But might as well try. So we'll try. We'll bring 4 poles today, I think. We'll do all 4. Why not? Give it a go. See what happens. Probably nothing. But we got nothing else to do, so we'll do this. Stay tuned. Guys, we're hooked up. Wouldn't believe it, but we made it happen. Oh, he just got off. Oh, guys. Oh my God. We just had one. Oh, I saw him too. All right, guys, we got one. Feels decent too. It's on Slime Cat. He's coming in. Stay buttoned. Come on, please. Oh my God, come on. Stay on. Stay on. Stay on. We did it. We caught one. My battery, of course, died at the perfect time so that I couldn't record me actually reeling it in and like catching it and talking about it, which kind of sucks. But that's kind of been the whole timing of this whole trip, right? Nothing has gone to plan. We've missed a lot of fish. Weather has been terrible. Outside of like not having moisture falling down, it's been just downright awful windy the whole time. I can't feel my hands, so switching battery chargers was almost impossible, so that sucked too, but I got it done. I'm probably gonna give it 15 more minutes and then call it good. I can't feel my hands, so I'm excited to go back to feeling hands again. But yeah, we finally did it. We caught one. Caught a fish when nobody else is, so I'm pretty happy about that. And I'm ready to go inside and celebrate. Rock on. Well guys, that's it for me. It was a long extended weekend. Didn't really go as planned. I feel like I always say that in every video. Didn't go as planned. I guess that's what it's like to be fishing with me. But thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. I know it's probably a little bit longer and kind of scattered all over the place than what I would have liked it to be. But whatever. It is what it is. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you really enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!